Making sure everything looks good, guys. I love cleaning up. If you know me, you know me. I love to clean up my house. Like, my house is clean, I feel so good. I feel really refreshed, like, like I feel nice. So now we're moving on to the kitchen. As you guys can see, this is where my kids make their breakfast, so they would just leave everything. Sometimes I would get up and come and see it. I just walk past it. I'm just like, you know what, I'm tired. Like, I'm so tired. So now I'm just like putting the all-purpose spray on it. I'm just gonna, clean it up because they put food, ketchup, everything goes on this counter, okay? Like, and it's white. It's white. You can't have kids and have a white kitchen. Like, you gotta be cleaning up every day. So I got this because I love cleaning up. So that's why it's white. And I constantly have to clean it, fingerprints everywhere. So I always have to make sure everything looks neat. If you don't like cleaning up, don't get a white kitchen, okay? Especially if you have kids. So I washed the dishes earlier. Now I'm just putting it back, because my kids will leave this thing here like for the whole week. So I always like to wash the dishes and then put it there right away, just get it out of the way. Make sure everything looks good. You guys see what I mean? If you have children and you don't like to clean up, you like to clean up once in a while, do not get a white kitchen. This is what happened. Like, I have to wipe everything down. So I try to do this at least twice a week, sometimes once a week, but I try my best, just to make everything tidy. Because my daughter, she would just come and see it there and walk past it and be like, mommy's gonna do it. Mommy's gonna do it. That's her job. She loves cleaning up anyways. That's what they always tell me. I love to clean up. So yeah. So I'm just wiping everything down, as you can see, making sure the house is looking nice. We are on to the living room. This is my living room chair. I still have a lot to do in here, so please bear with me. I'm still like figuring out what I want to do in my space. I'm still like figuring it out. So what you see right now is just simple. I haven't had the time. I'm just using what I have, but I am gonna have a video coming up, changing up all this area because it's kind of boring to me. But for now, I'm just gonna, do what it do, make it look nice. Okay, so that's how it's looking right now. After I finish doing all this, let me tell you guys, after I finish cleaning up my house, I always like to get myself together. Like, I like to look nice. Okay? As you can see, look at me. I look good, right? Oh my God, I look so nice. So this hair, I braided my own hair, guys. This took me, I think, 2.5 days. Because I asked someone to do my hair. I called the salon. And if you guys don't know, I do hair. That's a hair oil I'm putting in my hair right now. That's my brand. I'm gonna put the website in the link below. That's my hair oil, guys. This hair oil is a miracle in a bottle, and I always put it in my hair. It grows my hair so well. So I call a salon and I asked her to do my hair, and this girl is charging me a lot, and I don't have a lot of money to pay. So I decided, you know what? I'm like, I know how to do my own hair. Why not just do it by myself? Okay. So as you can see, this is how my hair is looking. I look good. Like, I'm just refreshing up my makeup because I'm about to go outside. So yes, this is how your girl is looking. This is the end of the video, but you guys are about to see the whole after and stuff like that. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. And this video is very raw, okay? I didn't edit my voice to, fix it up. Everything is there. So thank you guys so much. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.